Hello world. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test web application for HTML injection vulnerability. Before that, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you don't miss next video on ethical hacking. HTML injection is a type of injection issue that occurs when a user is able to control an input point and is able to inject arbitrary HTML code into a vulnerable web page. This vulnerability can have many consequences, like disclosure of a user's session cookies that could be used to impersonate the victim, or, more generally, it can allow the attacker to modify the page content seen by the victims. Let's test on B-Web. First of all, open XAMPP control panel and start Apache MySQL. Now open any browser and type localhost/bweb. Then enter your credentials. Now select HTML injection, reflected, get. Now type any HTML tag and input something, and see that is there any server-side encoding or not. As you can see, that it's not encoding, so we can use any HTML tag. So let's try marquee tag. This type of attack mostly used by hacktivism to promote a political agenda or a social change. Now let's try to see user session ID by cross-site scripting attack. Boom. You can see user session ID. With the session ID, attacker can hijack account and compromise user data. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more video on web application pen testing.